Hi friends, welcome to Tech Arkit YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see that for more updates, click on subscribe and click on bell button for latest notifications. Python variables. So how you can assign the variables and how you can print the variables values on the Python. Let's see that. First of all, we are going to create the new file which is called variables dot py. So now variables.py is a file which I'm going to create here. So this is the file. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to define the variable. So first of all, I'm going to write this information here, which is in the comment, like we are going to learn variables in Python. So how you can going to learn Python variables, how we can make the variable values here. So variable has some rules. So what are those rules you have here? The first rule, variable must start with alpha character. So alpha character means which is from A to Z are from capital A to Z. So anything you can start with. But variable should not start with a number. Example. So here is an example if I wanted to create here like x equal to 10. Okay. So here if I wanted to give the example is that 1x equal to 10. Okay, so this is going to be a bad example. This is a bad variable. Okay, this is a good variable. You can use that variable, but this is you cannot use this variable here. So what is the other methods? So you have to follow. Example, if you want to follow the variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive, which means if you assign a variable something like this, like my variable equal to 20, and if you say my variable equal to 30, so these two are different variables, not the same. These are two different variables, not the same. Okay, so let's see what are other rules if you have. So variable, whenever you are assigning any variable, do not use reverse keywords. Example, say that if you have the if condition, else condition, for loop, while loop, definitions, classes, any of those keywords do not use in a reverse manner. Example, class, like yes, yes, l ALC, something like this. Like if condition, you do not use FI, something like that. So those are the avoidable keywords. For example, do not use reversed keywords of if, for, while, definition, and class. Okay, so these are might be confusing for the programs, like programs might give the errors. So whatever the values you assigned here, so the value assigned is that whatever the value is specified here, example x equal to 10. So which means that you are assigning the 10 value to the X variable. What are the other rules you have to follow? Example, variables in Python are dynamically typed, meaning that you can hold variables of different types, like what are the common data types you have, you can define. So you don't need to specify particularly which is data type, like which is an integer or floating point or string, booleans, list or tuples or dictionaries, anything. So which is automatically detected by the Python code. So how we can do that example here? Example, I am saying that x equal to 4.5, which is a floating value. Python variables can start with underscore. Example, say that if you want to start anything like underscore var 1, like the value is 30, so you can do that as well. Okay, underscore var1, you can print the value here. So something like this, that is also a right value for the underscore you can start with. So that's the um, correct value for that. So you can say print it. Now you can see that the value is 30. Okay, so here if you do not make any intent like tab or something like that, the program makes its error. You can see that the intent is gives error unexpected intent. So that's why do not make any space or tab here. So just make it something like this and execute it. So that's the variable value here. So again, the variable can be separated by the underscore. Example, say that mx underscore var um, equal to 40, something like that, and you can also print that value. Okay, always use the auto correction so that you don't make any mistakes here, right? The max underscore var, right? Mx underscore var, sorry, then print it. So the value has been printed.